Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna have a quick video today. It's going to be a quick unboxing with some of my thoughts. So in this video I'm going to do a Telfar unboxing. So let's get right into it. I ordered this Telfar bag in the bag security program they had back in sometime last year. I don't know if it was September or November or somewhere around between September and November. I don't know, can't remember which one because that feels like forever ago. So yeah, it was the bag security program because I tried to get this exact bag when it dropped last summer and I could not get my hands on it. It was 9:01. And I couldn't get on. When I finally got on, it was sold. Every size was sold out. I want the smallest size, but it is what it is. So when bag security came along, they said, oh, you won't be able to, like, you're gonna get your bag by April 2022. So I purchased the bag and forgot about it. And then last week I got an email that said your bag has been shipped. So I got it the day after. Literally, I got the email the Tuesday and I got it back the Wednesday, or I got it Monday and I got it back Tuesday. Whichever day I got the email, I got the bag the day after. So let's unbox. This is how it's packaged. It says Telfar, established 2005, my New York City. So yeah, packaging, it's like in a Ziploc with, like, you know, Shein and all the places to now. So there we are. Telfar, Telfeezy. And I got the bubblegum pink in the smallest size. So, you know, Telfar, they are, and this isn't packaged nicely, I guess. Tight bud. So yes, it's this cute little pink bag. You know, Telfar, it's vegan leather. It isn't animal leather or anything like that. I got the smallest size. It looks washed out on camera. I'm not sure. I'm trying to figure out why. But it's a nice little bubblegum pink. Can you see it down here? Does it look better contrast? The lighting is washing it. Oh, but it is the shopping bag in small bubblegum pink. Retails $150. Tax was $9.94. So yeah, basically $160 at the end of the day. So this is her. Oh, this is nice. They have a little Velcro thing to hold the straps, and has two long straps that you can go crossbody. You know how I feel about crossbody bags. And it hits me again at my waist. I am 5'1", so you can reference that. And they aren't adjustable, so you get what you get. Although these bags look really small, they actually hold quite a bit. I could hold my phone, like just not putting my phone to lay down, just throwing it in. I could put my phone, my keys, my pouch, my card holder, and yeah, there isn't much to show in the Telfar bag. There's just that on the inside, nothing. It's like an endless pit, and that's why you're able to just throw everything in. There's the snap closure there if you want to snap it closed. Mine is usually open. And yeah, people like, oh, they don't get the hype around Telfar. And my cousin the one that really put me onto these Telfar bags. But it's an affordable luxury, and it's black owned. It's also Caribbean. Is it Caribbean? I don't know if it's Caribbean. I think no, it is black owned. Brandon Blackwood, I think, is Caribbean. Let's just double check that. I follow them on Instagram. If you don't, then you're missing out on when you can get your bag. Like, no, I don't. No, he's not black. He's black owned. I think he's somewhere, some African country. So yeah, it's black owned. What you gonna do? Black is black. But Brandon Blackwood is from the Caribbean, so you know, Jamaica. I'm Antiguan, so it is cute. Like I was saying, person's like, oh, they don't get the hype. Oh, why would I pay $150 for vegan leather? Y'all pay, we, myself included, pay Louis Vuitton thousands for canvas. So yeah. And some people, like, they don't get the point of a small bag. These bags are so easy for like nightlife, vacation life, that kind of stuff. So if you don't get it, you don't get it. Like, if you don't like it, you don't like it. But I like it. I think they hold up pretty nicely. They're easy to clean. They're overall great bags. So yeah, if you want a bag on the more affordable side of things, Telfeezy is it. I suggest doing bag security whenever they come around, because it is hard as hell, well, for me at least, to even get on the website when they do bag drops to get a bag. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the short video. Like, subscribe, share, come back for more.